Will electric vehicles take over in India? Do we need to really worry about the charging infrastructure? Let us see about that. There are various factors affecting the EV adoption. It depends on the type of vehicles, cost of the vehicle, charging infrastructure, and the battery. These factors may be different for each country, but we will be focusing only on India. So if we see the type of vehicles, majority of the vehicles in India is two wheelers, and we can see there are three wheelers and four wheelers are also. The most preferred vehicle for office goers is the two wheeler because they can easily go through the traffic. And for these people, small vendors, this is the cheapest mode of transportation, so they prefer two wheelers. Then three wheelers are used for different purposes. And if you see the four wheelers, most of the cars are economic cars and very few high end cars are there. And what we prefer is public vehicles. We can see that always our railway station and bus station will be crowded like anything. And to reach railway station or bus station, we prefer two wheelers. So the distance traveled using two wheelers is normally less only. From station to home and home to station, we prefer these two wheelers. And a study shows that the distance traveled by 85% of the people in our country is usually less than 10 kilometer per day. So if this is a case, we have to see what will happen if we convert to EV. So we know that the cost of the electric vehicle is very high, but we have seen that the average distance traveled by Indians is very less. So in that case, for low distance, you can reduce the battery capacity, which in turn reduces the cost of the vehicle. Next is the driving hours. Over 95 percentage of the time the vehicles are in parked condition. Suppose you are going to office by car and you can reach your office in 1 hour. The to and fro total time will be 2 hours. So the remaining 22 hours your vehicle will be in parked condition. So it can be charged either at home or at office. And some may have more than one vehicle and that will be in parked condition. So do we need to really worry about charging station? Yes, if we are using our car for a long ride. In case of short ride or for daily use, it is not a problem. But for when you go for long ride on highways, you may face problem. And nowadays charging infrastructure has developed much, so soon it will be solved. And India is the largest manufacturer of two wheelers in the world, and there is a report that 75 percentage of the two wheelers 75 percentage of the vehicles are two wheelers, and nearly 7 percentage are three wheelers. So, if we initially focus on electrifying the two wheelers, most of the vehicles in India will be EV. And if you see the top selling cars, most of the cars are economic cars, and they can easily be charged at home or in office or in malls. And today, many battery swapping companies have come, and you just have to hand over the drained battery, and they will give you a fully recharged battery. So you can save the charging time by this method. So when you are stuck up in high traffic, uh, the in case of petrol or diesel vehicle, it will be emitting the pollutants. and fuel will be wasted. Whereas in case of electric vehicles, regenerative power will be stored in the battery, so your charge on the battery will be increased. So two wheelers dominate the auto industry, so it is easy to shift to electric vehicles in India. Economic cars can be easily charged at home, and since petrol prices are increasing and fossil fuel is also depleting, it is better to shift to electric vehicles. The only problem is that we should have sufficient parking space in our home so that charging can be done. And if you need more details, please do visit our website. And if you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.